Hi boys and girls, welcome to your first lesson on 3D shapes and objects. In today's lesson, you're going to learn what real-life objects are like these 3D shapes. Let's get started. Okay, this one is called a sphere. Now, you can see that this one is curved and round. So some things in our world that are the same shape as this are balls. Cotton wool balls, pom-poms. You can see a pom-pom there, cotton wool ball. We've got little bouncy balls, golf balls, tennis balls. But some other things in our world are also this orange. An orange is the same shape as this sphere. It's round and curved. And also a globe of the world. And our Earth is the shape of a sphere, and so are our planets. Okay, let's check out another 3D object. Okay, this one is called a cube. Now this, you'll notice, has lots of square faces on it. Okay, does this remind you of any 3D objects in our world? It reminds me of a box. But there's some other objects in our world, like a dice, a Rubik's Cube, and some building blocks that are the same shape as this. Now remember, this one has lots of square faces on it. Okay, so it's got flat square faces. Let's check out the next shape. This one, its faces are a rectangular shape. But they're all flat, aren't they? They're not curved. Some things in our world that look like this. There's some boxes that are that shape. Let's check out some other things, like a tissue box. Or, a box of crackers. And some building blocks are the same shape as that. Doors, fridges. There's lots of things in our world that look like that. This one is called a cone, and I'm pretty sure you can guess why it's called a cone. It looks like an upside down ice cream cone. Now, it has a pointy end here, and it's curved all the way around. Okay, let's check out some other things in our world that look like this shape. Oh, yes, definitely. Some ice cream cones, the ones, remember, that have the pointy bit at the end, like this one. And, yes, witches' hats, or markers that are used when there's some construction going on. I wonder if you can think of some other things, like party hats. Okay, this one is called a cylinder, and it's got some curved faces, and it's got some flat faces there too. Can you think of anything in our world that looks like this? A cling wrap roll. Yes, a foil roll. Let's have a look. There's lots of things, aren't there? So we've got here some cans. A soft drink can, a drum. Hairspray. Some textures and markers, a glue stick, and a cup. I wonder if you can think of anything else. This one is called a pyramid, and it's got some triangle faces and a big square one down the bottom, and all the faces are flat. Can you think of anything in our world that looks like this? Pyramids, like in Egypt. I'm sure there's some other things in our world that have the same shape as this. This shape here, this is another 3D object, and I can see it's got some triangle faces and some rectangle faces. This one's called a triangular prism, but it kind of reminds me of a tent. All right, now that you've met some of these shapes and you understand how to tell the difference between them, head on back over to the wiki to check out what your practice task is for today.